Good day everyone. Our thesis title is Integration of Physical Activities in Teaching, Effects on the Holistic Development of Elementary Pupils in Lemery Pilot Elementary School. When we say integration of physical activities, it refers to the development of good coordination with a particular focus on the development of precise growth and fine muscle control. The skills taught in physical education is to improve students' performance, sharpen their knowledge of strategy and tactics, and help them to transfer knowledge from one context to another, including sport and recreational and outdoor activities. The effect of physical activity on holistic development is to improve mental health by decreasing and preventing as conditions such as anxiety and depression, as well as improving mood and other aspects of well-being. Background of the study. Holistic education is a pedagogical revolution that challenged traditional ways of looking at education at the role of schools. It combines research domains such as positive psychology, restorative justice, emotion regulation, character education, and empowerment to help students develop self-efficacy and achieve well-being. It also fosters values such as justice, equality, and compassion, and there is a need to increase research in holistic education and determine how it influences well-being of students. Based on the information presented in this section, there is a need to increase research in holistic education and to determine the influences the well-being of students. Statement of the problem. This study aims to assess the effects of integrating physical activities in teaching towards the holistic development of pupils in Lemery Pilot Elementary School. So in our research question 1, we have here the teacher's profile in terms of age, sex, civil status, educational attainment, and length of teaching experience. The statistical we use is frequency count. This is where used to verify the number of responses in study. The respondents put a check mark on the box that applies to them.
Research question 2. What are the perceived effects of physical activities on the holistic development of elementary pupils in terms of cognitive development, psychomotor development, and social-emotional development? Physical activity has a wide range of positive effects on the holistic development of elementary pupils, including cognitive, psychomotor, and social-emotional development. So here are some perceived effects. First is cognitive development. So physical activity has been linked to improve cognitive development in children. Regular physical activity can increase blood flow, oxygen to the brain, which can help to improve memory, attention, and learning abilities. Additionally, physical activity has been shown to improve executive function, which is the ability to plan, prioritize, and control impulses. So in statistical tools, we use weighted mean and ranking. So weighted mean is defined as the sum of collection of scores that have been assigned different degrees of importance. It is a method used to increase a particular item on the average and to include these more than once in the total. In psychomotor development, physical activity is essential for the development of motor skills in young children. Regular physical activity can help to improve a child's balance, coordination, and overall physical fitness. Activities such as running, jumping, and playing sports can also help to develop a child's gross motor skills, while activities such as drawing, painting, and playing with small objects can help to develop fine motor skills. In the third one, in social-emotional development, physical activity can help to promote social-emotional development in children. Playing sports and engaging in other physical activities with peers can help to develop social skills such as teamwork, communication, and leaderships. Physical activity can also help to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and improve self-esteem and confidence. In summary, physical activity has numerous benefits for the holistic development of elementary pupils. Regular exercise activity can help to improve cognitive development, psychomotor development, and social emotional development, which are all essentials for all children's overall health and well-being. In question number 3, is there a significant difference between the profile of the elementary teacher respondents and the effects of integrating physical activities on the holistic development of pupils? So it is possible that the profile of the elementary teacher respondents could have an impact on the effects of integrating physical activities on the holistic development of pupils. For example, if the majority of the teacher respondents have a positive attitude towards physical activity and prioritize it in their classroom, it is more likely that their pupils will experience greater benefits from physical activity. On the other hand, if the teacher respondents have a negative attitude towards physical activity or do not prioritize it in their classroom, the effects of integrating physical activities on the holistic development of pupils may be limited. However, it is important to note that the effects of integrating physical activities on the holistic development of pupils are influenced by various other factors, including the type and frequency of physical activities implemented, the age and individual characteristics of the pupils, and the overall school environment and culture. Therefore, it is necessary to consider all of these factors when examining the effects of integrating physical activities on the holistic development of pupils, rather than solely focusing on the profile of the teacher respondent. So in our statistical tools, we have here Likert scale. So this was used in the study to determine the effects of integration of physical activities in teaching towards the holistic development of elementary pupils and in Lemery Pilot Elementary School. In our question number 4, based on the findings, what plan of activities can be proposed for the elementary pupils to develop holistically considering the effects of integration of physical activities in teaching? In our theoretical framework, John Piaget, 1936, suggests that children's intelligence changes as they grow. This research is regarded as the cornerstone in the field of developmental psychology. So it is important to see which areas of human existence they define and how they interconnect with each other. In the school setting, pupils gain experience by new situations, assimilate knowledge from different fields, form relations with peers and adults, explore their environment, develop physical and intellectual skills, and discover their internal spectrum of emotions. Primary schools have a mission to introduce meanings, set the foundations of knowledge, and prepare each child for the life to come. So, Jean Piaget's theories have had a profound impact on the field of developmental psychology and on our understanding of how children learn and develop. In the school setting, his theories emphasized the importance of active, hands-on learning, social and emotional development, and the integration of different areas of knowledge.
Research paradigm. Input 1. What are the teacher's profile in terms of age, sex, civil status, educational attainment, and length of teaching experience? Before we conduct a survey, we need to know the profile of our respondents in terms of demographic information, allow us to better understand certain background characteristic of an audience, whether it's their age, race, ethnicity, and etc. What are the perceived effects of physical activities on the holistic development of elementary pupil in terms of cognitive development, psychomotor development, and social emotional development. Physical development contributes to cognitive development as children move and explore the world. They learn about the properties of objects and their own capabilities. Is there a significant difference between the profile of the elementary teacher, respondents, and the effects of integrating physical activities on the holistic development of pupils? On this, we will know from their teacher, which is our respondent, how physical activities and holistic development affects the pupils. Process. The researchers gather information through survey questionnaire. Output. Propose an action plan to enhance the use of physical activities in teaching the holistic development. Research designed to serve the purpose of this study and to determine the perception of the public elementary teachers and the integration of physical activities in teaching. The researcher employed descriptive method of research. It is thought to be the most suitable the purpose of showing evidence concerning the existing current condition by describing the responses of the subject under this study. Population and sample size. The foremost subject of the study were the teachers of Lemery Pilot Elementary School towards the objective of determining the effects of integrating of physical activities in teaching to achieve holistic development. The respondents of this study focus on public elementary school teachers from grade 1 to grade 6 in Lemery Pilot Elementary School. This study focused on public elementary school teachers in Lemery Pilot Elementary School. From a total population of 86 teachers, Slobin formula was used to determine the sample size. For our formula, we use Slobin formula and it is used to calculate the sample size n given the population size big letter N and a margin of error E. It is computed as n equals to n slash close open parenthesis 1 plus n e2. This formula is used when you don't have enough information about the population's behavior or the distribution of a behavior. To otherwise know the appropriate sample size, Slobin formula is written as n equals n slash close open parenthesis 1 plus n e2, where n equals the number of sample and the total population. N equals to n over 1 plus n e squared. Our n is 86 over 1 plus 86 close open parenthesis 0.05 squared. 86 plus close open parenthesis 86 and close open parenthesis 0.0025. 86 over 1.86 and 0.0025 n equals 86 over 1 plus 0.215. 86 over 1.215 is equals to n equals to 71.